Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. Introducing the elegant Iwc Schaffhausen Portofino wristwatch, the perfect choice for connoisseurs of classic style and impeccable quality. These watches from the legendary Swiss brand Iwc are known for their refined design and flawless functionality. The high-quality stainless steel case, with a diameter of 40 mm, offers a solid yet sleek appearance, while the sapphire crystal protects the dial, which remains in excellent condition. The brand new black leather strap adds a touch of sophistication and comfort, making these watches a great accessory for business meetings or everyday wear. The self-winding mechanical movement ensures precise timekeeping, and the functions of hours, minutes, seconds, and date make it not only a stylish accessory but also a reliable companion in daily life. The watch is splash-resistant, further enhancing its practicality. These Iwc Schaffhausen Portofino watches have been previously used but are in outstanding condition and fully operational. The perfect blend of classic and modern design, this timepiece will elevate your confidence and style. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos. Have a nice day and happy shopping. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.